Morning guys, welcome back. Today we're going off for a little walk off to Llanberis Falls, and we're also going to go and visit the castle as well. So why don't you come along and join us? Okay guys, there's the sign for the footpath to the waterfall, so we're just going to go and follow that. I think this is the local church here. Looks very old. So this along here so far is quite a nice walk. It's a lot better than walking up Snowdon like we did the other day. And again, we got a really nice day again, but it's a little bit breezy. So I think we're coming up to the river now where the falls are. Oh yeah, look at this. Ooh. That's beautiful. Nice pool down there, and the water is absolutely crystal clear. Yeah. Look how clear that water is. Oh, it's right to the bottom. It's lovely and clear, isn't it? So this is really picturesque walk along here, really nice. I think we're actually coming up to the main falls now. Look at this. Oh, that pretty fierce. Ooh, that's powerful. It's crystal clear, isn't it? Nice. So that was the waterfalls, guys. That was really nice. So we're now going to make our way back to the castle. Okay guys, we've just come across the sign for the castle, so we're just going to follow that now to the castle. Okay guys, it looks like we've reached the castle now, so we're just going to take a walk up there and have a look around. Here we are guys at the castle. Apologise for the wind, it is extremely windy here. Hopefully my awning on the caravan's okay. So let's just take a little walk up here and see what we can see. Wow guys, it's quite a view. Okay guys, we're at the castle. Whew. Excuse the wind noise because it's extremely windy up here. I'll just show you some of the views we got from up here. That's the view we've got from up here of one of the lakes there. Whoa, it is extremely windy. That's really windy up here. I don't know how much longer I can stay up here. The wind is taking my breath away. Whew. What are you doing up there? Marie's right up there sticking her head out at the tower. Wow guys, that's a nice view from up here, but extremely windy. I think after we've done this we're going to head down towards the lake and see if we can find the giant sword. Let's go and have a look, see what's on top of these stairs. Oh, it's a bit tight. Guys, we've made it to the top. Right, it's really windy up here, guys, so I'm going to make my way down. And I'll catch you in a bit.
Disco balls light up the room. All the colors, they look good on you. I'm having a good time, you're smiling, I'm laughing. The night is only just begun. Your eyes on me, that's everything that I want. Yeah, I'm free falling into feelings in the thick of it. It's neat on the way you light up in a sweat. All I wanna do is keep you in my view, dancing around you. Dancing around you. Dancing around you. Watch you move, step 2 by 2. Other people, I only see you. I'm having the best.
Right, guys, made it down the steps. It's pretty hairy. Not for the faint-hearted, I must say, and extremely windy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head off towards the lake and see if we can find the giant sword. So I'll catch you in a bit. Okay, guys, we changed our mind. We're not going to go and look for the giant sword around the lake. Due to all this wind, we thought we'd just head back to the campsite because I'm a little bit worried about the awning. So from me, Marie, Reggie and Ollie, we'll catch you on the next one.